our tour guide has booked us a night at Stockade Lake North Campground.
Yep.
In the Black Hills. We could fit 3 vans here. Apparently we're hanging with the big boys tonight. We are in Custer State Park. This is an attempt at the Black Elk Peak Tower. So where is it?
Keep going. Keep going. Way out there.
It's beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. It's all uphill. This guy's always complaining about the uphill. Breathe deep, old man. No fair. She's younger than me. Trail snacks. Well, that was a tough hike. Good thing we did the cemetery to prepare. It's pretty steep. What goes up
I get so tired of these tourists. Yeah, me too. Go home, humans. Yeah, go home. Get out of here.
These people are not feeding the bison. They're feeding the wild burros. What?
He doesn't want your healthy food.
Just a coyote walking down the road. Which campground?
Center Lake.
Center Lake. Very nice. Saw some turkeys up there on the hill on our way in. Very nice camp hosts. And now it's dinner time.
Mm-hmm.
Cooking and camping with Sue. What's on the menu?
Well, I'm having a kale-id.
A what?
A kale-id.
Kale-id? Oh boy.
And Barry's having the usual.
With some lemon.
Lemon juice, homemade salad dressing that I packed in my little make-your-own squeezy pouches. Thank you. Pre-purchased salad mix-ins. Then we've got some leftover rice and some beans and some dehydrated mushrooms that I made at home. And we're going to toss it all into a pot with some lentil vegetable soup and call it goulash.
Chips and salsa, of course.
But as an appetizer, we're having some
little chicken.
Some little quesadillas here. And a little eggy or cheesy thing that we had left over. So it'll all be good.
We are not roughing it.
Heck no. Chocolate and wine and beer for dessert.
Dinner was good. The dishes are almost done. Be time for a treat. Collapse, because we did a big hike today. Nighty-night. Custer State Park has some beautiful campgrounds. It's great to have showers open in October. It's a real treat. This is Center Lake. Degrees this morning. Still a little nippy, but warming up. We are on the Iron Mountain Road that leads to Mount Rushmore. I don't know if you can see it, but Rushmore is out there. Still on the Iron Mountain Road, heading through the tunnel, looking at Rushmore. Gotta get the shot. If you can get any parking in the Norbeck picnic area, which in October isn't difficult, there's a little paved trail up through the picnic tables and access to a pretty good overlook. You just got to climb up some rocks.
said Skechers aren't climbing shoes.
So up there is where we did the tower hike yesterday. There's the moon. And apparently you can do a helicopter tour. Nice little leg stretcher. No visit to the Black Hills is complete without looking at Mount Rushmore. You can pay $10 to park to go right up, or you can view it right from the road. This is the George Washington profile view. In Keystone near Rushmore, there's plenty of touristy stuff to do. If you're in Rapid City, this is an absolute must-do. 2 thumbs up. In Rapid City, there's a different U.S. former president on every corner.